So you're looking for a way to mount your soundbar because you don't want it sitting in front of the sensor of your TV. I want to show you what I did. All it is 3 pieces of wood, 4 mounting bolts, and 4 screws. Let's get it. Alright, so this is our current setup for our soundbar and TV in our bedroom. And not a huge fan of the soundbar being where it's at, mainly because the sensor on this TV is right there where that red dot is. So essentially we can't even use the remote with the soundbar sitting there. So what I want to do is I want to create a mounting platform on the back side of the TV, only using the mounting holes for like a wall bracket. And I'm going to stand up a bracket right there, and then we're going to have a platform that runs along there so that the soundbar can just sit right up on top of that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here I'm going to cut the legs to 2.5 inches in width. And on another note, watch those fingers. You don't want bloody Vienna sausages everywhere. So here's where I'm going to drill my holes. The holes are spaced about 7 7/8 inch apart with a 1-inch spacing on the bottom. And these are meant for M8 bolts, and so I'm going to oversize these holes to be 1/4 inch. Gives us a little bit of slop for the fit up. So here I'm drilling those holes to be 1/4 inch, wiggling the drill around just to kind of oversize the holes. And I'm doing a bolt fit up just to see if it fits and see how much room there is in that hole. And then I continue to drill the remainder of the holes to get all 4. Alright, so there it is on the fit up. I am going to have to go and get some washers because the screws sit a little bit off from the wood, and so I think if I just get enough washers on that stack up, I can actually torque that down a little bit better. But there you kind of have it. And then I'm just going to take a piece of wood and then cut it to this width and then mount it to these 2 posts, and then hopefully the soundbar will sit on top. And may not look the best in the world. I'm trying to keep it somewhat hidden, but it'll do. Unfortunately, I don't have a video of me ripping the platform, but I went ahead and cut a piece to 3 inches wide for that platform. And right here I'm showing where I attach that platform to the 2 legs. First I drill pilot holes just so that I don't split the wood when I drive those screws in. When you have that small edge distance with this type of wood, sometimes you'll find yourself cracking the wood, and that's never good. So make sure you do those pilot holes. I think I used like a 1/16 drill bit for that, or whatever the smallest one you have should work for it. And then once you get all those drilled, as I show here, then go ahead and hammer those screws right in, and it should be fine, and you shouldn't crack any as long as you don't over torque those screws. Alright, so there it is, the finished product. Not as flush as I'd like it with the top of that TV, but I don't know, it's not a big deal. Really, this is just a functional fix, just to have something to sit the soundbar up on there. So I'll put the soundbar up there and show you what it looks like all plugged in. Alright, so there it is in all its glory as to what it looks like when it's mounted. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but she does alright, you know. Just sitting up all there, all looking all cute and stuff, you know. But, did want to show you the wiggle test is pretty good. I don't think this is going to fall off unless the TV were to fall off. But that's how I thought through this problem that I had. If you have any comments, feel free to post them. Whether they're good, bad, or ugly, I'll take it all in. Sometimes people are really critical out there, so just hit me with what you got. But I do try to just think through real world problems in just an unconventional way. So I hope this helps anyone out there, maybe who's trying to say, hey, where do I put my soundbar at if my TV isn't mounted to the wall? And this might be a solution for you. Hope this helps. All right. See you guys later. Bye.